Okay, so as I began to use Evernote and kind of learn the different ways that it helps with organization, I made some notebooks. So my first notebook is about home. And so what I'm going to do over spring break and kind of giving me some reminders of what to do, when to leave, when to come back, who to see, what to do. So in my next notebook, I have class reminders, and this kind of ties together the exams that I have coming up. And so I have an exam in math for elementary school teachers. So there's a note for that, and then there's a note for my biology exam that's coming up in the next month, and then there's one for my class where I have a field experience and a discussion. And so I have a field experience in this class, and so kind of to remind me of that, I have a tag right up at the top. So if I search in notes for the words field experience, this note will pop up, which is very useful. In my next note, I have Purdue special education since that's my major, and so I clipped a article and was able to annotate, um, highlight, and kind of point out some main things in the article to help me um, remember what's kind of important and what's going to help me out, and asking a few questions for myself so that I can reflect on that later. And so as well in this note, I have a few annotations at the top since my topic for this class is assistive technology. So if I want to find this article again, I can search assistive technology, or since it has to do with learning disabilities, I have special education. And my last note is about swimming since I'm an athlete here at Purdue. And so in my note in my Purdue swimming notebook, I have information about Big Tens, which is coming up. So those are my notes in notes books in Evernote.